All right. So it's time for the Paclock a Month giveaway for this month, April 2020. I actually only had, well, this says 4 comments, but one of those was the pinned comment I left. So 3 entries. So odds are pretty good here, guys. And if I win, I'll redraw. So let's see who won. And come on. Oh, all right. I won my own lock. I don't think so. Pick another winner. Let's try this again. Start. Gonna work? There we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, I'm not the only one who entered here. Wes, the lock picker, you won. So send me an email, charles@charlesbuildscrap.com. I know you have it. Send me an email, give me your address and all that. I will, well, I'll get you put on the list for when this stay-at-home order lifts here, at least in my state. And thank you to everybody who watches my videos and entered the giveaway. There'll be another one next month. Now, on to the subject of today's video. Today we're going to pick on this little cabinet lock. It's just something simple. I'm actually really rusty. Up until yesterday, the only picking I had done in the last month or so has been what I've done on channel for you guys. So I've just been keeping myself really busy. Let's see. I'm guessing it has to go this way. I don't know. We'll see. Get some great feedback. There we are. And we're turned. Let's take it apart. See what's inside. That's actually what I wanted to do, but I figured I would pick it for you guys first as I throw screws across the table. Lovely. Cool. Interesting little cam. Under Allen. Let's see if we can take this part. Yeah. Is this the right size? Yep. Let's see how far apart I can get this until I get to something that's crimped or pinned or... Let's pick it and turn it around. Pick it back the other way. Okay. upside down. Pop this thing off. Okay, that's easy. Small flip over. Oh shit, I can never see a gap in this thing. This way. That's a pretty rough core. 4 out of 5 chambers are filled. Oh, let's get this. Hope I've been in frame for some of this. Forgot I had my camera. I rearranged my desk. My working bench here. I don't know if you can see how rough the texture is on that. Nice flat spot across there. Tweezers. See, I rearranged my desk to make it easier to do a switch back and forth between my wife's podcast, or our podcast. She calls it ours, I call it hers, but but anyway, I rearranged the desk to make it easy, a little easier to switch back and forth between shooting videos and recording podcasts, because they do require a slightly different arrangement of my stuff. So all standards, nothing surprising. 4 tangle-free short little springs. Let's get in there and get a look at those. Nothing too fancy, just standard springs. Let's zoom out. Let me see if I can put it back together. It could be a good trick. Guess I should be on camera for this. See a lot of disassembling locks on camera. You don't see very many reassemblies, so why not? Right? We'll start with 4 here from the back. Now, it does have a slightly beveled edge on one side, which I'm guessing to go down so that the action is smoother. We'll do that. That's something that you don't see mentioned a lot, but it actually is the case that allows manufacturers with sloppy tolerances. If you either, like Master Lock, both sides of a driver will be slightly beveled edges, but on some of these cheaper ones, it'll be just the plug side that's actually beveled, and if you get them the wrong way, they will catch and grab something horrible. Something I've learned to check when I'm putting cheap locks back together. Get your drivers in the correct way. I do not have a key for this, so it really doesn't matter what order I put these key pins in. We'll try and keep them the same. The story behind this particular lock, we're at work, and I work where they throw stuff away, and we call it the dump. They bring old furniture and stuff down to us, down there, and we, I don't actually work in the dump, but my office is right next to the dump. But they brought down some furniture, and I noticed some power cords sticking out and some cooling fans mounted to the outside of this end table. And we're supposed to dispose of... oh shoot, I just locked that. I gotta pick it again. We're supposed to dispose of electronics separately. So I got suspicious, but it was a locked cabinet, so the choices were bust it apart, cut it apart, or pick the lock. So guess which option I chose? We got in there and found that there was a old VCR DVD combo unit and an old computer inside this end table. So we took all that out so we could put it in e-waste. Anyway, and I decided to grab the lock to play with on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are all staying safe in this crazy time we're having, and you've managed to keep yourselves entertained if you're stuck at home. And if you're not, I hope you're staying safe. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep it legal.